Okay, now let's talk about composite figures. Composite figures are when you take multiple shapes or figures and you put them together to make a new figure. This week, we are just introducing composite figures, so you are not going to have to find the area of composite figures, but next week you will. So I want to make sure that we're prepping for that so that next week there's not like a shock. So let me show you an example of a composite figure. Okay, I want you to ask yourself, what smaller shapes do I see within this larger figure? So take a minute and just think about, if you could take this shape and break it apart, what smaller shapes could you break it into? Okay, I hope that you were able to visualize that there's a triangle right here. Okay. Now what's left is an L shape. When we're finding area, we don't have a formula for an L-shaped figure. We have a formula for finding area of a triangle, but not an L-shaped figure. So I want you to think about what we could do with this L shape so that we would have figures that we do know how to find area of. When I look at this figure, I see two rectangles. I see one larger rectangle here, and then I see a smaller rectangle right here. Now next week we'll take it one step further and we'll actually take this figure and we'll break it apart and we'll find the area of each smaller part. But this week we're just going to focus on reviewing triangles, trapezoids, and parallelograms so that you're prepared for working with composite figures the following week.